Welcome to all. This is Srinivasan, Assistant Professor in Mathematics Department, Sri Sairam College of Engineering. Today we will discuss about the topic is Model 3 and the topic is Z transform. Okay. Already I explained what is meant by Z transform and where we used in the engineering field. Now we will discuss some important problem based on the Z transform. The first problem is find Z into a power n cos h n theta. Before going to solve the problem, we will discuss some standard formula. So z into a power n equal to z divided by z minus a and cos h theta equal to e power theta plus e power minus theta divided by 2. So apply this formula in the given function. So z into a power n cos h n theta equal z into a power n. This is cos h n theta. That is e power n theta plus e power minus n theta divided by 2. Here taking 2 outside, we get 1 by 2 into z into a power n into e power n theta plus e power minus n theta. Now apply a power in the inside for each term and a into e power theta whole power n plus a into e power minus theta whole power n. Okay. Now apply z transform on the each term. So z into a e power theta plus e power theta whole power n plus z into a into e power minus theta whole power n. So compare the formula z into a power n. Here a equal to e power I theta. A into e power I theta. So z divided by z minus a plus z divided by z minus a value. Now normal here the z is common taking outside. We get z divided by 2 into this value. So this is here normal cross multiplication. If you do cross multiplication, we get z minus a into e power minus theta plus z minus a into e power theta divided by z square minus az e power theta minus az e power minus theta plus a square. See the numerator, there are two z. So 2z minus in this two term we can take minus a outside. The remaining term is e power theta plus e power minus theta. In the denominator z square in this compared to second term and third term, so the az is common. Okay, taking az outside, we get e power theta plus e power minus theta. The another term is a square. In the numerator, the value is e power theta plus e power minus theta. What is cos h theta? Cos h theta equals e power theta plus e power minus theta divided by 2. Okay, so the e power theta plus e power minus theta value is 2 cos h theta. And the denominator e power theta plus e power minus theta value is 2 cos h theta. Okay, so the numerator 2z minus 2a cos h theta. Denominator is z square minus 2az cos h theta plus a square. This is our required z transform of a power n cos h n theta value. Okay, next problem. Find z transform of a power n sin h n theta. The previous sum a power n cos h n theta and in this sum sin h n theta. Okay. Here also we can remember two formula. One is z into a power n. Z into a power n equal to z divided by z minus a. This is standard z transform formula. And z sin h theta equal to e power theta minus e power minus theta divided by 2. So this sin hx value apply here. So z into a power n sin h n theta from this function. What sin h n theta? That is e power n theta minus e power minus n theta divided by 2. Here also taking 1 by 2 outside and multiply a power n inside. And the general term is a e power theta whole power n minus a e power minus theta whole power n. Taking z transform on each term and apply the formula z of a power n value. So z divided by z minus a e power theta minus z divided by z minus a e power minus theta. So here z is common taking outside we get z divided by 2 and 1 divided by z minus a e power theta minus 1 divided by z minus a e power minus theta. Now normal cross multiplication we get z minus a e power minus theta minus z plus a e power theta divided by z square minus az e power theta minus az e power minus theta plus a square. See the numerator here minus z and plus z are cancelled and the remaining term is minus a e power minus theta plus a e power theta. Here I take a outside we get e power theta minus e power minus theta. In the denominator also I take minus az outside we get e power theta plus e power minus theta. So already we know sin h theta equal to e power theta minus e power minus theta divided by 2. So e power theta minus e power minus theta equal to 2 sin h theta. Okay, in the numerator also the formula is e power theta plus e power minus theta divided by 2 equal to cos h theta. So e power theta plus e power minus theta value is 2 cos h theta. This is our required equation of z transform of a power n sin h theta. In the next problem, z into r power n cos n theta. Sometimes they will ask what is a power n into cos n theta. Okay. Another one is z into r power n sin n theta. So before going to solve the problem, we can collect some standard formula. That is z into a power n equal to z divided by z minus a1 formula and e power I n theta. What is e power I n theta? That is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. And here I take a equal to r into e power I theta. So a equal to r into e power I theta. This value I substitute in the first formula. So a replaced by r into e power I theta. Here also a replaced by r into e power I theta. So this is r power n into e power I n theta, and here z divided by z minus r into e power I theta. So here I apply expansion of e power I n theta. Here also expansion of e power I theta. So this is z into r power n cos n theta plus I into r power n sin n theta equal to z divided by z minus r cos theta multiply minus inside we get minus I into r sin n theta. So now in here I apply z transform on the each term. So z into r power n cos n theta plus I z into r power n sin n theta. I taking a conjugate we get multiply this term z into z minus r cos theta plus irz sin theta. And here denominator, this is a minus b and this is a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Here minus b square is I square, we get plus. So in the numerator, z into z minus r cos theta plus I r z into sin theta, and expand the denominator, we get z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta, taking r square outside, we get that value is 1. So z into z minus r cos theta plus I r z sin theta divided by z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square. Now I compare the imaginary part and real part. What is here the real part? Z into z minus r cos theta divided by z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square. And the imaginary part is rz into sin theta divided by z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square. So this is the real part. This I into I split the imaginary part. Now compare the real part and imaginary part, right, left hand side and the right hand side. We get z into r power n cos n theta, that is equal to z into z minus r cos theta divided by z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square. And z into r power n sin n theta value is rz sin theta divided by z square minus 2 z r cos theta plus r square. So this is our required equation of z transform. Sometimes they will ask what is the value of z into a power n cos n theta. If z into a power n cos n theta value is nothing, z into z minus a cos theta divided by z square minus 2z into a cos theta plus a square. And z into a power n sin n theta is same. Replace r equal to a. So az into sin theta divided by z square minus 2z r into cos theta plus a square. So replace r by a, we get the value. So thank you all. Thanks for watching video. I hope you are all understand the Z transform and the problem based on the Z transform. So first you will remember the standard Z transform formula. Okay. If you understand the standard Z transform formula, the remaining problem we can solve by easily. Okay. So it is nothing too difficult. So first we understand standard Z transform formula. After that, we can solve the problem easily as usual way only. Yeah. Okay. Just to recall the r- formulas. What is Z? What is sin h theta? What is cos h theta? Everything. Okay. So thanks once again. Thank you. Thanks for watching.